We are assembling the Seahorse easel card. So I have all my pieces laid out. I have a base piece that lines up exactly to the pieces we're going to be applying. We have our card base that I have already folded in half. And then you'll notice that there's another score line on this. Now, if you want just a flat A2 card, you would not fold this on the score line. But for this, we are making it into an easel card, so you want to fold that up. You're going to do that. And then we have a flat base. Okay, so I'm going to start here. And I've got two coral pieces, and this one here with the stem going off to the left goes on first, and it goes behind the rock. And I'm just going to line this up. Like that. I would also mention that whatever color you're cutting this base is the color of your seagrass that's behind. So you'll want to keep that in mind when you're choosing your color. The next piece we're putting on is our boulder. And then our other piece of coral. And you can see that there are a few pieces here that you can use as guides to line that piece of coral up, just like that. Now I'm going to move in my seahorse. I'm going to put the black behind the eye. And then glue this in place. And for my fin, I want to pop this up a little. And then the whole horse I'm going to pop. And then we're going to center this on this base piece. Now, this piece is going to be used as the stop rest for the base. We're going to open it up. We have to use foam tape to catch the top. Then we're going to apply this as close to the bottom as we can get it and not going over the sides. And this is what's going to hold our card up. So then we apply glue here from the score line down. And again, if you were just making this a flat A2 card, you would glue this piece on here flat. But we aren't. We are making this the Easel card. And then that rests right behind it. And there it is. Thank you for joining me.